Hindi ya mahoya maria matavanirio kiharo-ini kia Uhuru Park maria magwikinyitio ni yetikia kuma ndini itiganite, First Lady Margaret Kenyatta ni oriria Kenya makoro muhari-ini wa mbere hari kuiga thayu.
I thank all the women here who have chosen to leave their homes, their children and families, their work, to walk and pray this morning. Thank you for choosing to strengthen our call for peace for this nation.
Ni athire na mbere na kuhinyiriria atumia makoro mari muhari-ini wa mbere kunyitithania bururi, akiuga atumia ni gituge kia bata hari gwaka na kunyitirira bururi.
As wives and mothers, we have a special role in this world, and we understand the critical importance that marriage and motherhood have in our society.
Hamwe na aria magwikinyite mahoya-ini macio ni mutumia wa munini wa President Rachel Ruto. Maugire ati o Mukenya ari na uigiriki wa gutigirira ati maundu maria marathie na mbere hakuhi nake ni maragacirithia matura ona bururi. Atumia ni maririkanirie ati makoragwo mari gituge kia mwanya uhunjia-ini wa thayu, uhonia wa bururi oro hamwe na kunyitirira.
We are at the gate, and I know as women, you know, when you go for maternity leave, when you go for maternity to get a baby, you know, anything can happen if mistakes are done. So we are saying, Lord, help us, that no mistakes will be done in our nation, as Kenya is standing at the gate to usher our nation into the next destination, which is the destiny of Kenya.
Peace and prosperity for this nation will be the result of our cumulative efforts. We must persevere in these efforts, knowing that we, as women and mothers, must guard this nation for the future of our children.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Helen Maina.